Hi, welcome back to this short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to add subscribe button on the Instagram. So process is pretty simple. Watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So how you can do it? First of all, you have to open your Play Store, and right here you have to search for the Instagram. Simply update your Instagram application from here. After that, go back, open your Instagram application, log into your account. On the right bottom you will see your profile icon. Simply click on it. On the right top you will see three lines. Click on it. Go to the settings, go to the accounts from here. Now scroll up, and here you will see switch account type. Simply switch your account to the business account from here. Okay, I have already in my business profile. Go back to your profile and you will see professional dashboard. Also you will see edit profile. Now scroll up. If your region support this feature, you will get a subscribe button right here. If it's not, then wait. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.